Supertrend indicator strategy and revealing the secrets of the most advanced buy-sell indicator on TradingView, giving you the exact buy-sell signals to take your trading to the next level. Let's get started. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for informational purposes only. I'll be covering the complete trading strategy from start to finish, so make sure you watch till the end for a bonus. On TradingView, we're going to search for the following indicator, which is the Supertrend indicator by Cozbilgic, Cozbilgic. As you'll see, it is one of the most popular TradingView indicators with over 37,000 likes. Before we move on to the next indicator, make sure you click that like button on this video, type boom in the comments below. Also subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on any of my future videos showing you amazing buy-sell indicators on TradingView. The Supertrend indicator is super easy to use and gives accurate readings about the ongoing trend in the market. It's constructed with two parameters, namely period and multiplier. The default values used while constructing a Supertrend indicator are 10 period for ATR, or average true range, and 3 for its multiplier. The average true range plays an important role in Supertrend as the indicator uses ATR to calculate its value. The ATR indicator signals the degree of price volatility. The buy and sell signals are generated when the indicator starts plotting either on top of the closing price or below the closing price. A buy signal is generated when the Supertrend closes above the price, and the opposite is true for a sell signal. It is generated when it closes below the closing price. A Supertrend indicator can be used on stocks, options, futures, forex, or even crypto markets, and also on any time frame. Next, we're going to add our second indicator for the strategy. To do this, under the indicators option, type trend indicator and select the A-V2 indicator. Lastly, we're going to add our third indicator before making some adjustments to make the system easier to use on our charts. The third indicator that we'll be adding to is the QQE mod. To find it, simply type QQE mod under the search options and add it to your chart. You guys have seen me use the QQE mod in some of my other strategies as well. It's pretty awesome. Now that we have all of the different components of the strategy, let's make a few changes to the settings for our strategy. Firstly, our Supertrend indicator. Under the inputs for the indicator, we are going to change the ATR period from 10 to 9 and also change the ATR multiplier from 3.0 to 3.9. Next, on our second indicator, which is the DZWINE trend indicator A-V2, under the inputs, the default MA type is VWMA and change it to EMA. Next, change the length from 7 to 52 and smoothing length from 7 to 10. The third indicator in our system will be used for entry confirmation. When it comes to the QQE mod, the QQE stands for qualitative quantitative estimation. The QQE mod indicator is based on the moving average of the relative strength index, or RSI. The moving average of the RSI is then smoothed using a smoothing factor to reduce noise and provide a more accurate representation of the trend. On the QQE indicator, you'll see that the histogram representing the trend, where a blue histogram indicates a bullish trend and a pink histogram indicates a bearish trend. The histogram makes it easy for traders to quickly identify the trend and make informed trading decisions. By combining the three different indicators, you're able to generate high probability trading setups. Yeah, it's amazing. Now that we have all the components of the trading strategy, let's take a closer look at the rules of the sell or short trade. On the chart, we have the GBP USD, or the pound against the US dollar, on a 1 hour time frame. But keep in mind that you can use this Supertrend indicator strategy on any time frame available. So as with any indicator, it's best to test it out for yourself and also back test it with the instruments and the time frame that you like trading, okay? Back testing, super important. As always, I'll go through the exact rules of entry and exit, so make sure you watch this video till the end. The first step is to wait for the Supertrend indicator to give us a short or sell signal. The sell signal needs to be confirmed by the closing of the candle. Next, the price needs to cross the trend indicator and show the bearish color, which is red. Last, we check our QQE mod to identify if we have enough bearish or sell momentum for the prevailing trend to happen. You need to have all these confluences in place before entering your trade. Then enter your sell trade with a stop loss above the recent swing high and aim for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Let me show you another sell trade example. However, this time it's a different time frame. In this way, you'll be able to see that the strategy is both precise and effective with different time frames. Let's take a look at an example on the 5-minute time frame. On the chart, we have the GBP, JPY, or the pound against the yen. In this time frame, the Supertrend indicator has given us a sell signal or short signal. Next, we wait for the trend indicator to change the cloud color from green to red. Lastly, check the QQE mod histogram to show if there's enough momentum. You could have entered this trade on the close of the candle. Once all of the confluences are in place, enter your sell trade with a stop loss above the swing high and aim for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. No matter what time frame you trade, the rules of the trade systems remains the same. By entering this trade, you would have caught a fantastic market move and we could have gained a lot of lovely pips in the process. Next, let's take a look at a long or buy position. On the chart, now we've got the GBP USD on the hourly time frame. Firstly, the Supertrend indicator has to give you a long or buy signal. Then we wait until the market forms a bullish candle and the color of the trend indicator changes to green. Lastly, check the QQE mod to see if we have enough momentum for the prevailing trend to happen. Once all these conditions are fulfilled, then we will place our buy order with our stop loss placed at the swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 2, meaning that we should aim for a return of 2% for every 1% that we risk. On the chart, you'll see that the trade played out in our favor and we were able to secure more pips. If you've made it this far in the video, it's time for some bonus content. Firstly, what I would like you to do is to drop a like on this video and comment boom down in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on any more of my awesome trading strategy videos on my channel. The following way of trading this strategy has exactly the same rules for entry. However, instead of using a 1 to 2 risk to reward, we are going to use the Supertrend indicator cloud as a trailing stop loss. What this means is once the trade has entered a profit, we're going to trail our stop loss by using the cloud of the Supertrend indicator. This way we're able to get these high probability trades with fantastic risk to reward, right? By using the combination of indicators, you're able to hold your trades for longer and get bigger and more wins. You would have seen that the strategy works on different time frames and instruments in the market, right? So feel free to test it out for yourself with the stuff that you guys like to trade, right? Like crypto, forex, stocks, or whatever it is. Like all other indicators, make sure you do back test it, all right? Back testing is super important. The strategy and TradingView indicators for this strategy used in this video are completely free to use. But if you're looking for an amazing premium indicator, I personally use Lux Algo Premium for my trading, and I highly recommend it to anyone that wants more success in the markets. Lux Algo is the #1 provider of trading indicators worldwide, and it's trusted by over 50,000 traders. I've got a link to it in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you want to see the trades that I'm actually making, like this one that I recently posted that I got a 74% return, check out my free Telegram channel and join my All Access Patreon, where I post the details as soon as I get into trade, and I post again when I get out of the trade. Links to those are in the description below as well. And if you want to become a better